Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to center align heading in Elementor. As you can see on my screen, right now I am editing one of my web page of the website using Elementor, right? And I have created a section where I have added the heading widget. Now what I want is to center align this heading, right? Right now it is left align and just I want it to center align. So how I can do that? So as you can see, whenever we move our cursor over the heading, automatically a pen icon appears in the top right corner, right? We need to click on that, and in the left side toolbar, as you can see, there are content settings, style settings and advanced setting. You need to go to the style settings, and here in the heading you will find alignment option, and in the alignment there are four types of options. The first one is start, the second one is center, the third one is end, and fourth one is justified, right? Start means left alignment, center alignment, and then right alignment and justified, right? So I just want to click center align. So as I click on center align, my heading gets center aligned, right? So in this manner you can center align your heading in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my blog link over there. Just simply visit my blog, read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.